Qigong is an ancient Chinese practice that combines gentle movement, breath, and focus. You'll be guided by Antonio Belomo, a Qigong practitioner at The Balance. He will lead us through a flowing sequence designed to release tension, restore harmony, and leave you feeling more present. So let's settle in. Feel your feet firmly rooted to the ground. Allow the shoulders to soften and take a deep breath together. From here, we begin.
Now bring both arms in front of the chest. Inhale 2 times. Open yourself. Hold the breath. Now exhale 2 times. Bend your leg back straight. Close your arms. Again. Deep breath. Open yourself. Exhale 2 times. Bend your leg. Again. Exhale. Now inhale. Deep breath. Exhale. Take energy. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the arm, eyes open, and then we start to turn the neck. Connect the breath with the movement. Stop to the center, go in the other side. Now we come back to the center, gentle, and we move the head from one side to the other. Always breathe deep. And now up and down. Okay, good. Now we go to the shoulder. Inhale, exhale. We work on mobility of the scapula area, shoulder, other side. Feel every movement and connect the breath. Now, up and down. One more. Okay, good. Inhale. Exhale. Deep breath. Now we move the hands on the shoulder and we start to turn, elbow almost touch, exhale. Other side. Now from here, bring some power in your fist, inhale, exhale. Keep the power on the fist. Relax again. Inhale. Exhale. Keep the power, and now breath and movement must have the same speed. Other side. Now relax. Cross your hands and stretch. Bring the feet a little bit close. Look a fixed point somewhere for keep your balance. Go up with the feet and stretch yourself. Breathe deep. Keep the position. Now come back just with the feet. Keep the arms stretched. Inhale, exhale. Very gentle. Inhale, exhale. Like I said, every movement is connected with the breath. Now from here you stop, you turn yourself and you look behind you. Inhale deep, come back, other side, exhale. Now inhale, come back, exhale. Rise the energy and come back. And relax your arms again. So now just open and close your hands fast as you can. Breathe deep. It's gonna be hard, but try to continue. This is very effective for circulation blood, especially for the heart. And then increase your chi, your energy in your hands. The chi is the energy that gives you the vital force. More chi you have, more you are strong, present, health. Now, slow, open your hands. You feel some tingling. This is it's your electromagnetic energy, it's the chi. So now slow, bring the hands close. Inhale. Exhale. Try to feel the energy between your hands. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slow, you bring your left hand in the belly button, the right, and then massage all your organs. In Qigong we say that the belly button is the center of our soul because we was connected from our mother from here, right? So she gives all the energy, life from this point. Very important point. Okay, now we bring the hands here, open a little bit more the feet, and we start to work on the pelvis area. So just turn, inhale, exhale. Try to make a good rotation, open the hips, lower back, and breathe deep. Other side. Now we stop. Right hand here, left up, inhale, exhale. Breathe deep. Inhale, hold the breath, exhale. Inhale, the hands arrive until the knee, extend yourself, breathe deep. Not everyone stretch the side of the body, so it's very important. Exhale. Now come back. Up, inhale, exhale. Open a little bit more the leg. And then we just go to one side to the other. We open the internal muscles of the leg. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We stop in this side and we bring, in your case, your left hand here. Now slow, come back, inhale, exhale. Now you keep the leg stretched, your left hand on the ground and the right up, and try to look your slow, come back, then change hand, inhale, exhale. Gentle, you bring both hands close to the feet and look inside your leg. Now slow, come back, bend your leg, inhale, ground yourself, exhale. Come back slow. Now feet close, hands up to the knee, and then we start to make a circles. Help yourself with the hands. This is very effective for stimulate all the internal muscles and joint of the knee. Now feet close, go up and let your body weight go down like this. This is very good for release stress, anxiety. Now use also the hands for release. This is release all the nervous system that cross our spine. Two times more. Again. Good. Release the body. Now, just move the arms like this. Connect the breath. And now add also the legs, the same movement, like this. Let yourself go. Release the tensions. And now slow, look up and down. Look like behind you, down. Come back and ground yourself. Again. We go. Your relaxing movement. This is very good for stimulate the mobility of the spine, the kidney, and shoulders. And breathe deeper. Okay, good. And come back. So the first step of Qigong is finished. That is a warm-up. Now we're gonna do like more like Tai Chi, soft movements. We go, open a little bit more the feet, hands here, and then inhale, exhale. Meditation is not just sit with eyes closed, it's also move in consciousness way. Feel your energy. Now from here you rise, hands open, exhale. Inhale, like you hold something, exhale. Now from here, inhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale. Now bring your hands in front of the chest and exhale. Open. Exhale, bend a little bit the leg. Inhale, exhale, bend your leg. Now from here, you start to move the hands to one side, to the other. This movement comes from the water element, so try to visualize the blue ocean color and also the qualities of the water, the flow. Imagine the water of a calm river or lake. Now from this side, you open your hands, exhale, inhale. Exhale, bend a little bit the leg back straight. Now you stop here, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. And now from here, you bring the arms on the side, your chest, exhale. Again. here, come back to the center and bring your hands here. Connect with the hearts. Eyes closed, start to warm your hands. And bring the palms of your hands into the eyes and cover. Breathe deep into the chest, from the chest into the eyes. The purpose is connect your vital energy with your heart and the heart with your mind. Create a connection. Now slow, open your eyes, exhale. Rise the energy, exhale. And now ground yourself 3 times like this. Inhale.
Thank you for watching the Humanware project. To help us to getting more amazing content out there, please subscribe. It means a lot and it will help us to grow. And let's go on this journey together.